This video is to show you how to repair your 3S Lipo cell in 1 minute. First of all, you remove the wrapping of the Lipo cell. Before that, of course, you determine which cell is the damaged one using the monitoring wires. In our case, we noticed that this cell, which is, you can see the physical damage on it, plus when you measure the wire, it shows you that this one has 0 voltage. So in our case, the ground wire, the black one, was connected to this cell, and then we carefully remove the adhesive tape connecting the 3 cells together, and we take it off. Once we've took it off, we reconnect the black wire to the positive of the second cell below. And after that, we measured the voltages, and it showed the correct voltage. So be careful and good luck.